ChatGPT isn't the only AI worth using in 2026, and for some tests, it's not even the best one. I tested 5 alternatives that most people never tried, and at least one of these is going to surprise you. Let's go. I'm not here to tell you the ChatGPT. I use it too, but each of these 5 tools does something specific better, and they are all free. I will show you exactly what each one does best live so you can decide which one fits what you actually need. Number 5. Mistral LeChat. This one is better at speed plus multi-language conversations. LeChat is fast, noticeably faster responses than ChatGPT for everyday questions, and it's especially strong if you switch between languages a lot. It's made by a French AI lab, so multilingual handling is a core strength, not an afterthought. Number 4. DeepSeek. This one is better at reasoning and coding at no cost. DeepSeek became a huge story because it matches top-tier reasoning models on hard problems, math, logic, code, and it's free to use. If you want to see an AI actually think through a problem step by step before answering, this is the one to try. Number 3. Perplexity. This one is better at research with real clickable sources. If ChatGPT gives you an answer, Perplexity gives you an answer with receipts. Every claim is backed with a real source you can click and verify. For anything where accuracy actually matters, this is what I search for. Number 2. Claude. This one is better at long documents, writing quality, and following detailed instructions. Claude is what I'd search for a long document, a detailed writing task, or anything where I need to follow very specific instructions without drifting. The writing quality is constantly more natural, less AI sounding than a lot of alternatives. Number 1. Google Gemini. This one is better at everything connected to your life, like documents, Gmail, search, building things like Canvas. And the one I personally use the most, Gemini, because it's built into everything Google. It can pull from your Gmail, your docs, do live web search, and like I showed in the previous video, actually build working apps. It's less about being a single skill and more about being everywhere you already work. Here's a simple way to think about it. Need a speed or another language? LeChat. Need hard reasoning or code? DeepSeek. Need accurate research? Perplexity. Need quality line from writing? Claude. Need something connected to your whole life? Gemini. ChatGPT is still great, but it's not the only option anymore, and most of these are free with no catch. Nowadays I use ChatGPT to generate thumbnails. Which one are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe if you want a deeper dive into any of those tools next. I'll build the most requested one into its own video.